Yeah, I don't know, y'all. I don't know if we gonna even be able to make it to where we trying to go to, because we was trying to get a little something going before the roads got chill. They trying to fuck it. I don't see why I wouldn't be able to. And of course, y'all know we got fucking great new used tires, so we gonna catch hella traction. It just, I don't want this shit to turn to black ice and we get fucked. But yeah, I mean, that's it, man. Damn, I don't know those trees. Did they fall down? Oh no, it's stay like that. Now I hope this main road shouldn't be like that. Now if it is, yeah, should we fucking try this shit? Yeah, I ain't gonna lie, y'all, we ain't gonna try this, cause, well, yeah, I don't see nobody coming out here to scrape nothing. I ain't gonna lie though. I don't know. I don't think we should try this shit though. Yeah, we ain't gonna try this, y'all. Not right now. We'll probably try it tomorrow. Cause what I don't want to happen is, I don't want. Damn, yeah, see, he driving all slow and shit. Yeah, what I don't want to happen is this shit start getting way worse than this, and then I don't see no type of truck. So I'm sliding right now. So I'm gonna turn off on this road right here and then just turn back around. Yeah, it ain't no ice truck out here or nothing. So we ain't even gonna try this.